Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome with our Shumatt live streaming. I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Our company specialized in the commercial diesel parts, and our product include the injector, the valve assembly, the pumps, the repair kit, a CV valve, etc. Any other product if you are interested in, please, you can contact us. Today we're going to introduce you one of our control valve, this one. Let's check it together. Firstly, you can see the outside packages. It is kind of blue VCI and T-roast bag. And here this is the product SKU. The product code is F00VC01201. And here this is the label. The label information includes the quantities, one size each piece, and the control valve with the product code. By the way, for the logo label, the packages, etc., we support customized service. And now let's open it. Wow, let's see it. As you can see, the inside it is kind of transparent bottles. It is very hard and can be better protected the valve assembly. Okay, and as you can see, this is the oil paper. Generally, we will use this kind of oil paper to wrap it up. That's the valve assembly in the inside. You can check it. Actually, we not only selling the whole side, we also sell the separate parts like the valve cap or the separate valve rod. That's the details. For the product, we have the quality guaranteed. 6 months warranty time. In this period, annual for customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange it. That's the valve rod. And here, Caitlin has 3 tips I'd like to share with you. The first tip is clean with the oil, don't clean it with the water. The second tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tip is make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly off the injector body. So much for the introduction. Okay, at last, if you still have other questions, please leave the comments below these videos, and after I see that, I will reply you. And last, remember follow us at YouTube or the Facebook account, and also we had our website and our WhatsApp, the email address. Just one way, feel free to contact us. So much for today. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.